Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And overall, another nice move. The price movement continues now to kind of grind itself higher and higher, which prompts the next update that needs to be done, and that is a newer level of support right up here at $7.10. Now, $7.10 is what I would call the ideal level. And we've said, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? And that would certainly be if the price can indeed hold above $7.10. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below $7.10, then that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be an impressive sign of power going forward. But again, it's not like it's a do or die level or anything like that, because right after that level, you actually have the 50 period moving average right there. But for more of a simplicity's sake, you still have 685, which is an important level. I'm not going to go through why that level is so important. If you want to, you can just go back and watch the video from the 15th that I did. But I explained all of that. But given how far the price is actually up away from that area, no point in really spending any more time, other than just mentioning that 685 is more so that bigger picture key level of support. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? If this movement is going to continue, where some of these next key battlegrounds at? As far as where the sellers are residing, next key level, actually let me scrunch this up just to make sure I'm not missing anything. There we go. Yeah, next key level going to be right up here at this former area of support, which sits at $7.30. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken. So let's first just establish that this level definitely was indeed an area of support. You can see several times the price bounced off it, but when they are broken, which it was right there, they tend to act as resistance. So 730 going to be that initial level of resistance going forward, and then the next key area after that would be that pink line up there, which is the 200 period moving average. However, one hurdle at a time, and like I said, first hurdle is going to be that $7.30 mark. But good to see the price continuing to chip away and build some higher bases here. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build those higher lows or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.